How to apply makeup filters in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select the photo you want to edit from your gallery or camera roll. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, tap on the Beautify section, then select the Makeup tool. Here you can browse through a variety of makeup styles including lipstick, eyeshadow, blush and eyeliner. Tap on the makeup style you like and adjust the intensity using the sliders to achieve a natural and polished look. Applying makeup filters in Meitu allows you to experiment with different looks, enhance facial features, and create stunning selfies or portraits for social media, profile picture, or personal collection. Now you know how to apply makeup filters in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.